Hola, buenos dias. Soy Ruth, and this is 100 Days of Spanish, which is a series that gives you un poco de español con un poco de inglés, so you can escuchar español and understand what's going on. Hoy es día 65. If you haven't already subscribed, do that. And today I'd like to tell you the word forgive. Forgive is dar. Dar, 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 dar. It's just a sound in inglés, pero en español, give. How do you think we'll say give you? Te is you. And we're going to squash them together to get darte. In this series, we've done a lot of the word I want. It's quiero. So I want to give you is quiero darte. Next word is word, which is palabras. It's like a parable, which is a story with a moral message, mensaje moral. Por ejemplo, the parables in La Biblia. So I use that to help me remember that palabra means word. Useful en español doesn't start with a U sound, it starts with an U sound. Útiles, palabras útiles are useful words. So today I want to give you useful words. Think now. You can get the whole sentence or the whole phrase. Hoy quiero darte palabras útiles. Well, I do that every day, I hope. To find yourself, to find or to encounter is encontrar. That's the infinitive verb. But when we're saying find yourself, it changes a little bit. Escucha. Te encuentras. Te encuentras. ¿Sí? Hoy quiero darte palabras útiles si te encuentras en un coche, that's my little car, en un coche con problemas. See? So the first word I'm going to tell you is a breakdown. When a machine breaks down, it's una avería. Una máquina that has problems tiene una avería. The words haver mean let's see. Haver, because ver is see. Mirar is look or watch, but see is ver. Okay, so I remember those two by thinking you look in a mirror, so it's mirar, and to see is your vision, so ver. Okay, haver, let's see. Imagino que tienes un problema con el coche, and the breakdown man comes and you say el coche tiene una avería, and el mecánico dice haver, and then you correct him, say oh, avería, and tell him el español. It's a little bit of a David Brent-like comedy en mi mente. So I hope you enjoyed that little excursión en mi mente. A ver. So that's let's see. If you're going to say we'll see, that would be vamos a ver. So your situation for that, it might be un niño who says quiero ir al aqua park. And you'll say, we'll see, which is vamos a ver. Right? So that's useful, una frase útil For cualquiera situación. Vamos a ver. And another one that's useful for cualquiera situación is I don't know, which is no sé. No sé. Okay? No sé. If that helps. No sé. I don't know. Bien? Right. So your child asks you, can we go to the water park? Vamos a ver, no sé. You can use that when we've got una situación imaginaria con el coche. El coche tiene una avería. You talk to el mecánico. The next two things I'm going to teach you, the last two things for today, are what's the problem? And you want to say ¿qué is the problem? You're not going to, you're going to say ¿cuál? And the final thing will be I don't know the words in Spanish. Okay? So these are the last two things for today. What's the problem? It's not ¿qué, it's ¿cuál? And it's not la problema, it's el problema. Right? It ends in an A, but it's an exception, it's el problema. El mecánico dice, ¿cuál es el problema? Bien? ¿Cuál es el problema? That's a useful pregunta for cualquiera situación. And I don't know, no sé. To say it is decirlo. Escucha? Decirlo. To say is decir and it will be lo. Okay? How to say it? ¿Cómo decirlo? So, I don't know how to say it. No sé cómo decirlo en español. And now we've got un diálogo completo. Escucha. Mi coche tiene una avería. Avería. ¿Cuál es el problema? No sé cómo decirlo en español, pero mira. Bien. Mañana I'm going to teach you un poco de vocabulario about the various things que no funcionan en tu coche. As always, there'll be palabras útiles, frases útiles y preguntas útiles como ¿cuál es el problema? So do come back mañana, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe and share these videos so that otras personas also join in with Spanglish Fantastico. Hasta mañana. Adiós.